Now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Hey there, good evening. Welcome back, everyone. We can see pretty far here in the capital city. We have visibility that dropped when we had a squall move through, and now our visibility is looking awesome. But we can't say that for everyone, and we actually had snowfall totals due to those squalls moving through. North Kingstown was one of our jackpot regions, coming in with 2.5 inches, just under 2 out on Nantucket. New Bedford had 1.5 inches, just over 1 inch in Charlestown, and we got 1 inch in Swansea and also Smithfield with those squalls that breezed right on through. So here are our headlines. Any leftover snow showers that we have, they're going to be ending momentarily. Now, we are looking for frigid wind chills through the day on Sunday, starting with lows that are going to be in the teens, but feel closer to 10. We do have a nice sunny stretch coming our way, and our next storm system doesn't enter our, radar consciousness until Friday. So we have a nice dry trend to look forward to for the bulk of the week ahead. Our current temperatures are a mix of 20s, like we have in New Bedford and Smithfield, and 30s. We have 30 here downtown. We're matching that one in Newport and also out to Westerly. Winds are generally light. They're moving in from the northwest. Speeds sustained 5 to 15 miles per hour, but every once in a while, we've been picking up a gust of 20 to 25. Actually, in Newport, we had a 30 mile per hour gust, just an hour ago. So with these higher gusts going on, it's making it feel colder. This is what the sustained winds are producing. Wind chills in the 20s, or in the case of Smithfield and Newport, it feels like 20. But when those gusts happen, it drops the feel-like temperature even more. So the bottom line is, if you've got plans this evening, bundle up, bring an extra layer. You may need a hat or a scarf. So we do have our primary line of squalls that has gone through. It's not quite done with the region yet, has to finish up with Nantucket. And then we've got this little secondary line. It's much weaker. It's making more like flurries. I'm not really expecting anything from it. From here, we're essentially going to funnel in drier air and clear as we go through the overnight. Early tomorrow morning, I don't know if you saw it, that bunch of clouds dip and then scoot right on off toward the north. Yeah, tomorrow we may have a period of cloudiness, but most of the day is in fact expected to hold a good deal of sunshine. And then we go to Monday, and that's when we have sunshine, and Tuesday, you get the idea. We're expecting a nice prolonged stretch where high pressure moves in to take charge. But I think the real takeaway from this is going to be the cold, because as we go to tonight, we're going to have wind chills. This is 11 o'clock of 11 in Smithfield. It's going to feel like 14 in Providence and Newport, New Bedford too. And then it goes even colder with our feel like lows. Tomorrow around 7, we're looking at feel like temps of 9 in north and west of the city, and possibly as chilly as 12 in Newport. Now, future wind chills show that Sunday afternoon, we do see feel like temperatures recover, but it's still going to feel like the 20s all day. And then as we go to the night, the feel like temperatures drop once again. So it is going to be, brisk and blustery overnight tonight, and definitely cold. Temperatures should bottom out near 18, but it's going to feel closer to 10 with the winds we're expecting. Now, tomorrow, again, some early cloudiness, and then we're going to clear to sunny. Winds will be out of the southwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour, with occasional higher gusts, and our extended forecast shows highs will also be getting a nice little boost coming up into the 40s, but low 40s is actually where we typically are this time of year. Our next storm system, if you will, Friday, looks to be rain rather than anything frozen until we get to Friday night. That's going to be a cold front that will be dropping temperature, so it may finish off with a little bit of snow, but as of now, that looks to be more rain than anything else.
It's really the wind that gets you, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's been cold, but then it's made worse, obviously, because of the wind chill, because it's so cold.
Exactly.
Because of the wind.
And it kind of goes right through you.
Through your bones.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. It's good to warm up and have a nice cup